Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common headache for Facebook and Messenger users, not receiving that crucial 6-digit verification code, whether it's for logging in, setting up two-factor authentication, or just getting back into your account. We've got you covered with some surefire fixes, so let's get started. First things first, let's ensure the basics are in check. Make sure the phone number linked to your Facebook or Messenger account is correct and active. A simple typo could be the culprit. Your inbox might be full of the messages, or the messages might have been filtered into spam. Give it a thorough check to make sure you didn't miss the code. If the basics looks good, it's time to dive a bit deeper. Sometimes poor internet connections can delay or block the SMS. Try moving to a location with better service or switch your phone to airplane mode for a minute, then switch back. In some cases, the issue might be with your mobile carrier blocking these types of messages. A quick call to the customer service can help clarify and potentially solve the issue. Now, if you've tried all this and still no luck, don't worry, we've got a couple more tricks up our sleeve. Facebook offers alternative methods to receive your code, like email or a third-party authentication app. Let's explore how to set that up. Sometimes the system might be overwhelmed. If you can afford to wait, give it a bit before trying to request the code again. And there you have it, folks. With the steps, you should be back on track, fully equipped to tackle the 6 digital code not received dilemma. Remember, patience and a bit of troubleshooting can go a long way. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.